So now that we've talked a lot about Viz Media, I think we should switch.
You realize that I'm thankful.
What are your thoughts on how people act in working spaces? What kind of people have you met? Worst kind of people that you've met?
I was doing an internship. It was a social media agency. I guess the founder will watch this. And there I met this one guy. So I don't know of what position he was. He was, I believe, the founder's friend. And वो बंदा, like, see, one good quality, like how do you recognize if someone is good as a person? Is when वो तुम्हें कुछ सिखा लग सकते हैं without तुम्हें नीचा दिखाए. That is a great quality to have.
Yes.
मतलब तुम डिमीन भी नहीं कर रहे सामने वाले को, at the same time you are teaching them as well.
Yes.
So वो बंदा बस डिमीन करे जा रहा है. Literally. हाँ. And बताता तो था कुछ नहीं. It takes a toll on one's self and one's self-image as well.
Yeah.
So that's really
People
worse.
should, I feel in working spaces, people should really see how they're talking to others. Because even though it's a working space and you expect the work to get done, talking in a polite way is not tough.
I mean, still,
You
even
can tell someone that the work is not done being polite.
even if you expect the work to be done, the other person is a human as well. And I believe treating human to human is very
At least
necessary.
not be mean.
What's your experience on this?
Worst. Actually, I've met some amazing people. People have been very ऐसा कि काम करा लिया 1 महीना and they're not paying.
Okay.
Worst kind of people you'll ever meet.
Can you name them?
No, I can't
For
name them.
controversy.
So one of the worst person that I've met. It is actually a brand owner, cafe owner. So what happened? Ki the contract was done. I had sent him the contract in advance. It clearly states that 50% should be paid in advance and 50% after the deliverables are given to you. He read it. We had a talk on it. He called us, the team, for shoot. The team went.
So he hasn't paid yet.
He hasn't. We had talked that day. That day he'll sign the contract and he'll pay.
Okay.
So we went in for the shoot so that we can have a head start. The whole team, 3 girls, worked their ass off that day. And when it was time to sign the contract, that guy comes and says, "I'm not gonna pay the first 50."
Where?
His excuse was, I've worked with 2 to 3 agencies and they've never asked me for advance.
Oh my god! How did you react to that?
I was really polite. I was like, that is just not how we work. I had clearly mentioned it. If you're not able to give 50, give us 30 or 40 so that we can start at least. And I trust you enough that you will pay me the rest after the deliverables are given. But he was like, I'll give you 0.
Oh my,
He was really rude.
The audacity.
He was really rude. He was, I'll give you 0. And then I was like, if this is not going to work, I'm not going to work with you. I know that my team has worked their ass off and I'm not going to let this happen for the next month as well.
Okay, so you cancelled it.
Yeah, I cancelled it at that point and he got really mad. So what happens in a cafe is, they give us the plates to shoot and everything, and we shoot, and after, obviously dishes ho gaye, so it is given to the people who are shooting. And he by himself, we didn't ask, we didn't expect, but he by himself gave those plates for the team to eat. The team was eating. Just because we had this conversation and the deal was not done, he told his worker to come and pick up the plates
while they were eating. Oh my god.
And that was the worst kind of person I've ever met. He picked up the plates and took out. I felt so embarrassed. I felt so ऐसा कि why did I put my team in this? मेरी team के साथ क्यों करने दिया? Why did I expect? That was the worst experience I've had in 2 years. Worst.
I have a similar kind of experience. ये internship के वक्त नहीं था. This was a sponsor experience. So you remember? So there was this one guy. हमारी stalls के लिए deal हो गई थी. The MOU was signed. and it was during the technical fest of our event. It was for a other committee. तो वो बंदा ही अग्रीड कि हाँ मैं स्टॉल लेके आ जाऊंगा, ऐसा ऐसा पूरा पूरा एकदम डन डील. एंड अ नाइट बिफोर द फेस्ट, मतलब अगले दिन फेस्ट है और एक रात पहले 1 बजे में वो बंदे का मुझे मैसेज आता है कि लिसन देयर इज अ मेडिकल कैलामिटी दैट हैज टुक प्लेस एंड उसकी वजह से मैं नहीं आ पाऊंगा. नाउ फर्स्ट इनिशियली आई थॉट द रीजन इज वेरी जेन्युइन कि हाँ हो तो सकता है. आई वॉज वेरी नाइव. तो मैंने बोला हाँ ठीक है सर ऐसा वैसा. आई टेक्सटेड द CMO ऑफ द कमिटी एंड हमारी फिर बात हुई उस पर. ही नाउ दिस गाय वेरी मतलब उसको वो मंझा हुआ. ही इज डूइंग दैट सिंस couple of years. He has seen this kind of thing. तो उसको समझ गया कि ये झूठ बोल रहा है. तो CMO मुझे बोलता है नहीं 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 उससे बात कर, टेल सम रिप्लेसमेंट टू कम, ऐसा वैसा. एक बंदा थोड़ी स्टॉल चलाता है, देयर आर कपल ऑफ पीपल इन द टीम. तो मैंने बात की ऐसा वैसा, फिर बात हुई. अल्टीमेटली ही डज नॉट कम एंड वी हैव हिज लोगो ऑन द बैनर, वी हैव द डिलीवरेबल्स कंप्लीटेड एंड वो बंदा है ही नहीं.
And there's no product.
No product. So effectively we did his publicity for free. Now ये एक एक्सपीरियंस हुआ उसके साथ. उसके बाद अंडरवेट के लिए while I was looking, I thought कि let us give him one more chance. मैंने उसको और एक बार कॉल किया कि ऐसा ऐसा है. Now in the deal, अच्छा इसमें हमारी गलती क्या हुई थी कि हमने इनिशियल पेमेंट कुछ नहीं लिया था. इसलिए वो आया ही नहीं, उसका कुछ है ही नहीं इन्वेस्टमेंट, वो क्यों आएगा. तो मैंने दूसरे बार MOU में मेंशन किया कि यू शुड पे 50% इन एडवांस. 50% एडवांस दो और फिर जब आओगे ऑन डे तो बाकी रेस्ट देंगे. तो वो बोला ठीक है देता हूँ पैसा, देता हूँ ऐसा ऐसा. MOU साइन वगैरह किया. फिर बैंक डिटेल्स वगैरह भी मंगवाए कि आपके बैंक डिटेल भेज दो, मैं करता हूँ. एंड उसके बाद से उसके पैसे आए ही नहीं. मैंने जब पास आ रहा था इवेंट, मैंने बोला इस पे भरोसा नहीं करूंगा मैंने उसको खुद से मैसेज किया, सर नहीं हो सकता, कैंसिल.
They want कि लोग उनके लिए फ्री में काम कर ले.
होते
अब नहीं होता है भाई, फ्री में काम नहीं होता है.
और मतलब टेल मी, इज देयर अ पर्सनल लाइफ एंड अ प्रोफेशनल लाइफ इन योर केस, और इज अ प्रोफेशनल इटसेल्फ?
Yeah, there is a personal life.
Okay, so if the personal life exists, how do you tend to manage both of those?
First of all, I need to understand that I have people that want to see me, that are really close to me, and they want to keep an interaction with me. So managing time for also to provide time to them is important. So here priority comes. कि professional priority में तुम्हारा काम priority रहता है या तुम्हारे personal लोग भी priority रहता है. Even in those personal लोगों के priority, now you have to set your boundaries. Because at the end, Iman Ghazi says this, that you can't take everyone with you, even if they're really close. Because you will find people that are not supportive even if they're very close to you. While you're working, there will be times that you're not able to meet your friends and you're not able to hang out, and that is the reason that you guys detach. And that is acceptable as long as you're working towards something that has a bigger
picture.
Bigger picture in your life, and that is going to make you feel happier in the
longer run. Have you left friend groups?
Yeah. Personally, yes. Not because there was a fight, but because there's just no time. I have to take out time for myself. There also it comes. What do I choose? Giving time to myself or giving time to someone else?
Right.
And at the end of the day, I have to give myself time so that I can also come in my calm state and then push out energy to others. Right, so yeah, for a long time, for about 2 months, I was detached from my friend group. But at the end, human needs human interaction. And they need कि लोगों से बात हो, अपने लोग रहे साथ में. And while living outside of home, while you're not with your people, you need to find your people.
Your family.
Yeah, you need to create a family outside of your family when you're out.
Yes.
You need to create your home. So yes, for 2 months it was all about work, but recently I've started connecting to those people again because I need to feel at home. I have started reconnecting with these people because they do not want anything from me. Plus, you will meet a lot of people that only want work to get done with from you, and you will find people that do not want anything from you but your time.
Okay, tell me more on the second type.
My friends, couple of friends, they do not expect me to do anything from them. They do not have anything coming out of me. मैं कुछ help नहीं कर रही हूँ उनको कुछ. I'm not building something for them. I'm not giving them some कुछ extra. They just want कि मैं बैठूँ उनके साथ. बस 1 घंटा बैठूँ.
Great friends.
Yes.
हाँ.
बस 1 घंटा बैठूँ और हम लोग बस बातें करें.
टाइम पास करें.
बातें करें. मैं बस बताऊँ अपनी लाइफ के बारे में. वो लोग बताएं अपनी लाइफ. They just want to have a good time. So I have found these people, and pushing these people will make me unhappy in the longer run. Actually.
Right. I mean, these kind of people are very rare to find.
Yes.
Who do not expect anything from you, and they just want you to be there. So
Yes.
I'll suggest cherish them.
Yes.
मैं बताता हूँ स्कूल के टाइम पे क्या होता था. स्कूल के टाइम पे हमारा बॉयज ग्रुप था पूरा, ठीक है, 8-10 लौंडे पूरे, एंड उसमें एवरीबडी वाज देयर, एंड उसमें व्हेन आई वाज द हेड बॉय ऑफ माय स्कूल, सो मी एंड वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड शंभूराज, शाउट आउट, वी वर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग अ डिबेट बिकॉज वी वांटेड टू डू डिबेट. हमें करना था, हमने सोचा कि लेट्स डू इट. सो व्हाइल वी वर एट इट, बाकी जो ग्रुप के दोस्त थे, they had nothing to do with debate, उन्हें इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं था. But because we both are organizing it, they were there with us.
Oh my god, this is a.
तो मतलब अगर तुम कुछ कर रहे हो तो मैं हूँ, तू कर.
Yes, that is friendship. To be
Yes,
honest.
that is friendship.
That is friendship, and it's
Yes.
really hard to find at this point.
Yes, truly.
Really hard to.
So
find.
cherish if you have such friends.
Yes.
Well, on the other side, there are people who expect transactions.
Huh.
What is your experience with that?
I love my girlfriends. I love, but I know the back bitching that goes behind.
Right.
The
right.
amount of back bitching and the amount of jealousy, unwanted jealousy that comes with it.
बिना बात के.
बिना बात.
Mhm.
I love my girlfriends. I love some of the friends I've made in college.
Mhm.
But I genuinely, from my heart, hate some of the people.
Oh my god, you see the girly talk. Love and hate in the same sentence.
Yeah, there are people that will act so innocent, so in love with you when they're in front of you. I have girls who are doing this to me, who are just hugging me, who are just talking so sweetly to me on my face, and I get to hear from a lot of people that she back bitches about you. On an amazing extent. He has amazing interest in your life, and at this point I've just accepted that people will back bitch because I am doing something that is talkable. Right?
Yes.
So they have a point to talk about, and it's good. It's fine if you're talking about me. You don't have something else to do in your life, so you're talking about me.
मेरे साथ, I mean, sorry to cut you, but मेरे साथ ऐसा बहुत पहले से हुआ है. तो स्कूल में जब मैं था, आई वॉज इन 9th and I was head boy, so I was sort of attention, point of attention of the school. So there was a group of people who used to hate me. I guess they do even now. I don't hate you guys. Who's your favorite Bollywood star? What do you
Rajkumar
do?
Rao.
Rajkumar Rao of शादी में जरूर ना.
राजकुमार राय है कि राजकुमार राव है, पता नहीं.
वही है ना, शादी में जरूर आना का. राजकुमार राव एक ही है.
जिसमें श्रद्धा कपूर है.
अच्छा, स्त्री.
हाँ.
स्त्री, right.
स्त्री वाला.
हाँ.
He is my favorite.
Okay.
Nawazuddin
Actress?
Siddiqui also.
Yeah, great actor. Actress?
Actress. Urvashi Rautal.
Cricket. What are your thoughts on Urfi Javed?
Does amazing stuff. Does amazing PR, amazing social media awareness.
Really?
She has.
Explain. Tell me more on this.
Amazing. Once you get to know her perspective, all she wanted was to create an image.
Mm-hmm.
She created an image by being controversial. I agree. By wearing clothes that were not accepted in India. India's audience didn't accept it. Her dresses to someone outside of India, they love it. She
Interesting.
did show a lot of controversial outfits, But now when I see her
Yeah,
creativity,
yeah.
it has come.
And I mean, now when I see her podcast as well, that part of her advertising is just gone.
She was the one who started apps ka thing.
Culture.
She is the one who got first, मतलब ऐसा brought back the PAPS thing
Okay.
to social media.
Okay.
She was the one who got famous through PAPS.
Hmm.
She used PAPS.
Yes.
She is hated by a lot of men, but I love her.
What do you think is a strong man?
जिसको women की success से चिढ़ना हो,
Jalan now.
जलन ना हो, at least. People is not asking you to do anything. I don't think कोई भी लड़की जाके तुम्हें बोलेगी pay for me. Does not want to depend on you a lot, for a lot. But if she's sharing to you something, please be men enough to listen to it. I know that you guys are very logical and I know that you want to give solutions for it. Save it. Wait for a bit. Let her finish. Let her get into a state where she can accept more. Because she is already full. तुम लोग सोचो, if you've had a long day, दिन भर काम किए हो, तुम्हारे दिमाग में कल के काम का भी चल रहा है, तुम्हें बस अब रोना आ रहा है, and she comes to you and starts crying. She starts nagging you about ये नहीं किया तूने, वो नहीं किया ये तूने. So you will get ऐसा ना कि oh my god.
Right.
I also need someone to understand me. That is the same thing.
I can imagine my moments. Zian Malik.
Zayn Malik.
Zayn Malik.
Love Zayn Malik.
Who is it? I'm really sorry, guys.
मेरे
Don't
podcast
hate me.
में Zayn Malik
Don't
कैसे आ
hate me,
रहा है?
guys. I don't know him. Who is he? Tell me.
Zayn Malik.
He is very good looking, though.
Love.
Yes.
Zayn Malik.
Is he there alive right now?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah. Do you have any materialistic goals?
Yes, I have had it for a long time actually.
Since 6th standard?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
From 6th standard. So I had a chart paper मेरे room में where I used to write what are my materialistic goals उधर पे. So yes, मतलब white board नहीं था.
Mood board नहीं था.
Mood board नहीं था तब. So there was one of the biggest thing was मेरा orange Lambo Aventador.
Lamborghini.
Yes.
For the last segment, what is one piece of learning which you have learned since 6th standard to 2nd year, and one piece of advice for people our age?
There's a big difference in planning and executing. Having a social media management agency was in my plan. Executing, just 2 years it's been. बहुत difference है actually working. I can plan रोज कुछ ना कुछ as long as I'm not executing all of that stuff, it's of no use. When I sit to work, I can get one work done finished in 2 hours, but I will think on it for a long time. That's called procrastination.
Right. Eat that frog.
Give that interview. Show up in that interview.
Okay.
There's a lot of people that just don't show up in the interviews. Show up in that interview. Show up for yourself. Like बस रहो वहाँ पे, कुछ मत करो.
Just get into the process and then.
What helped me starting the social media was just making that resume and sending in. That's how everything started.
So
I didn't have a resume at that point. None of first year students had their resume at that
I
point.
believe even not now. First year नहीं होंगे resume.
Didn't have. I had to create that resume. It was really shitty. I know that was not the final resume. It was really bad, but I did make it in 40 minutes and send it. Just because I sent it, we have Viz Media. You might feel कि oh my god बहुत डर लग रहा होगा, कैसे करूँ नहीं करूँ कर दूँ. इतना मत overthink करो. There's a lot of things that are waiting.
Take notes, get out of your head and just start doing it. तुम सोचते बैठोगे, जीवन भर सोचते रहोगे. So just start doing it and then you will figure it out. So thank you Anandya Prabhat.
We're done.
Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for coming.